Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to restrict profiles on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to restrict profile on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and kind of interface will appear. Again, we'll be required to tap on the settings option over here just below your data in maps. Tap on settings, and again we'll be required to tap on the personal content over here just below the Google location settings. Tap on personal content and scroll down to the bottom of the list where you will be able to find the restricted profile option available for us over here. And here it also says you'll have to approve new followers before they can see your reviews, photos and other content you post on your public profile. And with that being said, guys, make sure the toggle icon for that option is turned on, and then your profile will be restricted to yourself only. And with that being said, guys, this is how to restrict profile on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.